Welcome to the night shift. Mind your step. My children are teething. I wear leather in the heat of the blast, where the molten steel flows thick and fast. This isn't just a factory, it's a nursery room. Listen to the hydraulic presses go boom. The blast furnace is jealous, it's glowing so red. It wants a bedtime story and a tuck into bed. It calls me mommy in a 20-ton groan, and crushes anyone who tries to take my throne. Quiet down, darling, don't disrespect the guest. All hail the hydraulic matriarch, where the oil meets the blood on the iron arch. My children are heavy, made of pistons and gear. We casually weld flesh to metal in here. It's a family business, a grotesque delight. Steam, grease, and terror all through the night.
A little man came in with a clipboard and pen, a health inspector, a very boring normie specimen. He tried to shut us down, said it wasn't up to code. My assembly line baby went into defense mode. It grabbed him by the tire with a robotic claw. The funniest workplace accident you ever saw.
Madam, excuse me. I seem to have replaced my left arm with a forklift mechanism. It is highly inconvenient for serving martinis. He is weak. Mother, let me melt him.
Down, I am your favorite son.
Boys, boys, stop fighting over me. Butler, fetch me a wrench. My knee joint is loose again.
All hail the hydraulic matriarch, where the oil meets the blood on the iron arch. My children are heavy, made of pistons and gear. We casually weld flesh to metal in here. It's a family business, a grotesque delight.
Steam, grease, and terror all through the night.